The doorbell just rang and look, it's my products. I'm so excited, but I can't share them right now because I have to run and get ready for a Google workshop that I'm going to. So when I get back, I'm going to open the box and share it with you guys. Alrighty, can't wait to get back home from this event and open these products. Alrighty.
Hey guys, I am back from the Google workshop and I've already opened my box and I've tried to video this a few times, so here we go again. I have my protein here. It is vegan, it is certified gluten-free. There is no artificial flavors, no artificial coloring, no whey, no soy. So that is a good protein if you are interested in, or you live in a vegan lifestyle and you want to add some protein. We've got some good veggie protein here from Arbonne. I also have my fiber that I need to help me with my gut issues, and it's vegan and gluten-free. No artificial flavors or coloring. I am starting a detox on Friday. It's for 7 days. Wish me luck. This is going to help me get all those toxins out. I also have Digestion Plus. If you have any type of digestive issues, this will help you. That's what I've been having. I also have my greens. These are a mixture of veggies and fruit. So get your daily allowance of your fruits and veggies. Detox tea. So I will have my fizz sticks and my tea to get me off my coffee binge. Then my ever so happy to have fizz sticks. I got pomegranate and I got 2 boxes. So I'm going to end this video. I'm going to have a fizz stick and then I'm going to pound class because I'm getting back in the groove of things. Not just eating right, but exercising on a regular basis. See you on the next video, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow's day 4.